AlexCollier.net presents Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. January the 17th, 2025. Webinar 223. Topics this week will include current stat, humanity's dark night of the soul is upon us. Can we trust ourselves to rebuild our own world? We can remake the world in a holistic way with guaranteed individual liberties for all of humanity, and much more. There will be a question and answer session at the end. Book now, unlimited places.